You mean to call you when you turn me on? The way you telling me you want me down.
Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. Today's video, I'm doing a large family grocery haul. I only went to one store this time, just Walmart, and got everything I needed. While I'm taking you around and showing you what I got, I will also kind of let you know like my meal plan and stuff for the week. And a couple of these recipes I will be filming for my other channel, my cooking channel. So if you haven't subscribed over there, go ahead and subscribe. It's called Just a Lil, L-I-L, Kick, and I will link it in the description box. So I think I probably showed you a little clip of what my table is looking like right now. Drop, before you watch to the end, drop what your guesses are of how much I spent this week. Also, I am not done shopping. That's the bad thing. I still have to go to Sam's Club. We usually do like a weekly Sam's Club trip to get like fruit and snacks and some veggies and stuff like that. Yeah, so all right, let's get into it. All right, so I tried to kind of organize it a little bit as best I could. So okay, first just 2 loaves of French bread, and this is actually going to be making French bread pizza one night. And then just this Sara Lee butter bread. Everybody likes this bread, so we got 3 loaves. I need to get a bread maker. I've been saying that for a while, but I really do, because we spend too much money on bread weekly. But Oreo cookies. This is actually for a dessert recipe that I will be filming on my cooking channel. So it's like a they're called naughty brownies, where it's like a layer of chocolate chip cookies and a layer of brownies and the Oreos. I think it's gonna be fabulous. Some chocolate pudding. This is also for a recipe that's gonna be on my channel. I'm making like a chocolate caramel brownie trifle. So stay tuned for that. Just some whole wheat flour, kettle cooked jalapeno. Those are really good. Let me tell you about this. So this is why you should not order groceries while you're falling asleep, because I would not have bought 2 bags of these. I mean, we'll eat them, but I only had plans to buy 1 of them so that I could make taco salad tonight. So, oh my gosh, you guys. Chili garlic, it doesn't have a very strong flavor. That's why it says lightly seasoned. But the flavor that is there is a bomb. Delicious. Just got some regular old wavy potato chips, classic. I'm gonna be making burgers tomorrow. And we always like to have like a little classic chip on the side with like some potato salad or macaroni. We'll see. I just bought this wild blueberry. That's really good. This Dolly Parton, have you guys tried this yet? Duncan Hines Fabulously Fudgy Brownie Mix. This is what I'm going to be using for that brownie trifle that I told you about. And then just some regular fudge brownies. I'm gonna, you know, kind of do my own little testing here to see if I can tell a difference between the two. I don't know. I needed some more cupcake liners because I'm gonna be making prepping actually, some muffins for like breakfast and stuff this week. Sun-dried tomatoes. This is for Marry Me Chicken. I'm sure you guys, one of my kids just fell off the couch. This is Marry Me Chicken. I've made that before. I don't think I made it on my channel before or anything, but super delicious. I'll be actually making it in a crock pot. Fettuccine for that same recipe. Macaroni. I just got 4 boxes because we use 2 at a time. So, and then these, oh, these are so good. Have you had these yet? These brioche buns, they are so soft and like buttery tasting. They're just really good. And then do you guys do this? Like you buy like different kind of buns for different things. Like these are gonna be for our cheeseburgers, but these are just for like lunches throughout the week, like a quick lunch, chicken patty sandwich. Because I don't care too much about that, so I just bought the little cheap ones. And then these little tortillas for like quesadillas, or I'm going to make for lunch this week, what do you want to call it? Pinwheels, turkey pinwheels. this caramel topping is for that same caramel brownie trifle that I was telling you about. Just some peanut butter, a little bit of jelly. This actually I bought for grape jelly barbecue meatballs I'll be throwing in the crock pot later this week for dinner. I needed some more garlic powder. This, I saw this when I was, again, I think it was a sleepy thing. I told you, I ordered groceries. I think it was probably like, I don't even know, midnight, 11, midnight, something like that last night. I was so tired, but I knew I needed to order these groceries. So, but I mean, hopefully this is good. I'd like to try it maybe like on some toast or something. Or you could like dip it in, like sliced apples, you could dip in this. I think that would be good. And then cashews. Then I need some more sandwich bags and freezer bags. And then just a green pepper, some Roma tomatoes, mini cucumbers, petite carrots. The kids like to, well, some of them like to dip them in ranch. Same with the cucumbers. Others like to dip them in peanut butter. Same with this, ranch or peanut butter. Carrot chips. I bought some burger patties. And then I bought some turkey just for like sandwiches or whatever throughout the week. Same there. For pinwheels, some chicken breasts for the Marry Me chicken, ground turkey for the taco salad, turkey pepperoni. I actually like to eat these as a snack. And I also, if you have an air fryer, I like to put a little bit of cream cheese on there and then air fry them until they're crispy. Delicious. Marinara sauce, 2 jars for the French bread pizza. Just this for the taco salad. Chicken broth. These, I haven't tried this particular one before. I tried a different brand a few days ago. I mean, not a different brand, sorry. A different flavor of this Fulfill brand a few days ago, and it was really good. So I'm hoping this one's going to be good too. And then this is for a recipe. Also for a recipe. And then little guacamoles. And then we're moving on to dairy. I thought my kids were fighting. They're just loud. Okay. Move on to dairy and frozen, I think, for the most part. A little bit of coleslaw. Potato salad. I actually really like this deviled egg potato salad. I think it's really good. And then 2 things of hash brown patties. Eggs. Almond milk. And then we needed cheese, sliced cheese. Extra sharp is my favorite. Parmesan, this is for Marry Me chicken. And then just shredded cheese for pizza or whatever. Whipped cream cheese. Whipped butter. And then just these like Chobani flips. I really like these. My kids like them too. So salted crunch and then the chocolate layer cake. And then the s'mores one is really good. And then I actually tried to get the roasted. I don't know if you guys have seen the roasted garlic paste. But it is so flavorful. I cannot talk. It's so flavorful, but they were out, so they substituted with this, which is fine. And then this sour cream. I cannot go back to the regular one. Now that I bought like the squeezable, I just can't go back. So I love this. Heavy whipping cream, whipped topping for my recipe that I'll be making. Whipped cream. I love this. Iced coffee here. It says not too sweet. This is not sweet at all. I have to put a ton of creamer in mine. Yeah, even when I bought like, I think I bought like a sweetened one before, it's not very sweet. So this lemonade, I haven't tried this one. Hopefully it's good. 2 little cheese pizza Lunchables. And then we're almost to the end. 3 boxes of the soft pretzels. These seasoned fries. Uncrustables. Chicken nuggets. Meatballs. And then these 2 bags of meatballs that I will be throwing in the crock pot sometime throughout the week. So we can have barbecue meatballs and rice. And then some chicken sandwiches. Now, this one, I would not have bought this particular brand. I actually ordered a different brand, but they were out, so they substituted with this. I figure it'll be just fine for a one-time thing. So, let me flip you around so I can talk to you. Okay, that's it. What do you guys think? How much do you think I spent? Okay, I spent $300 and I think it was $8 this week. Oh, I also got a small bag of Flamin' Hots for myself, and I got 2 Red Bulls. Not that it made much of a difference, but just FYI. Yeah, that's how it is these days with the prices of groceries and with my kids being home for the summer. It is what it is, right? All right, like I said, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm also uploading videos about like our home build and all of that. I do cleaning videos. I used to do cooking videos over here, but that I have a separate channel that I cook on now. So if you want to see any of those recipes that I mentioned, definitely go head over to Just a Little Kick and then subscribe there too. So I think that's it. You let me know if there's any particular videos that you would like to see from me in the future. All right, I'll see you guys back here soon. Bye.